Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are happy to announce that the $45 billion road rehabilitation program, the Spark program, has started. The first road to be fixed under this project is going to be in Harborview, Everest Drive. And we will definitely keep you guys updated on this road and all the other roads to be fixed under this program. The construction phase of the program is going to last 2 years. And they had originally said 2,000 roads would be fixed, and I think they put up a list of 600. So we'll keep you guys updated. Now we're driving on Stony Hill Road. Or is it Old Stony Hill Road? I'm not sure which one it is. But this road, like almost every road in Jamaica, is in need of repairs, or most roads in Jamaica, I should say. And we're actually heading towards Red Gal Ring in Stony Hill. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the start of the Spark program. The construction phase of the shared prosperity through accelerated improvement to our road network, Spark, is now underway, having begun in Harborview, St. Andrew. The work is being done along Everest Drive and will see the 1.1 kilometer stretch of road being completely rehabilitated at a cost of $60 million. The works will also include water line and fiber optic ducts installation, as well as the construction of pedestrian facilities. Spark, a government road rehabilitation program, is valued at $45 billion. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, who did a walkthrough of the project, says that Everest Drive has been identified as one of the community roads for rehabilitation following extensive consultations with residents. The Prime Minister, in speaking about the rehabilitative works now being done along Everest Drive, says the road was being done under the $20 billion allocated to fix parochial roads under the project. A similar amount is to be used to target main roads. The construction phase is scheduled for completion within 2 years and will be followed by a 1-year defects liability period. Alright, so that's the end of the update article. So this is good news, very good news. Now remember, the Spark program is where they're going to fix the entire roads. Redo them, repave them. It's not the patching program. The REACH program is a patching program. So this is definitely good news. We will keep you guys updated on this road and all the other roads to be fixed under the Spark program. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.